welcome back to Pabbly, and today I'm going to show you how we're going to create the connection between Google Ads and HubSpot CRM, and that too without knowing any programming or coding language. For that, I've logged in inside Pabbly Connect and opened my workflow builder. So if you're a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Connect's landing page URL in the description box below. Go on that URL in the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Once you click on sign up for free, come inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Ads. So let's search for Google Ads and select it. For the event, we have to select lead form entry and click on this connect. Now we have received this webhook URL, so simply copy this webhook URL and open your Google Ads account. And after opening this, what you have to do is you have to first make sure that in your campaign you have a lead form, because we're going to connect this lead form with Pabbly Connect. All right, so as you can see that this is my campaign and I have this lead form where we have the name, email, phone number and the company name. All right, so now I'm going to connect this. For that I have to scroll and you're going to see the option of lead delivery. So let's open it and you're going to see the option to add this webhook URL. So let's paste the URL which we copied from the workflow, enter the key and click on this send test data, and it is saying test data sent. So let's open our workflow and you're going to see that Pabbly has captured this response 2 seconds ago. This is the proof of our successful connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect. Now you're going to see that we have captured this test data because I am not running a live campaign. My campaign is in draft mode. That's the reason that we have captured this test data. What you can do is if you wish to capture the real lead details, you can wait, click on this recapture webhook response and wait till you receive a new lead through this same form. Alright, but if you wish, you can definitely create this amazing automation using the test lead details only, and then further it is going to run for your live leads also. Alright, so now let's close this trigger and let's create a connection between HubSpot and Pabbly Connect and add these Google Ad leads over here in our HubSpot CRM. So to do this, I'm going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm going to select it as HubSpot. So let's search for HubSpot CRM and select it. For the event, we have to select create a contact and click on this connect. If you have already created a connection between HubSpot CRM and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with HubSpot CRM. And now Pabbly is going to ask me to select the account. Alright, so I have already logged in inside my HubSpot account. That's the reason that it is asking me to choose a sub account. But if you haven't logged in your HubSpot account, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account and then you're going to get the option to choose one of the account. Alright, so I'm going to choose this account which is Pabbly only. So let's select it, and once I'm going to choose this account, you're going to see that my HubSpot CRM is connected with Pabbly Connect. So easy, right? Now what I'm going to do is Pabbly is asking me for many details. So one by one I'm going to fill in all of these details or the details which are required and create a new contact in HubSpot CRM. So it's asking me for many details, but we are only going to fill in the details which are required or the details which we have, like this company name. So we have this company name, so let's fill it in, but we are not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. But while mapping the details, you have to keep in mind that you only map the string value. Alright, it is really important that you only map the string value. Now let's map another details which are required, like this last name. Let's map this last name. We have the last name of our lead. Alright, now let's move in further. I just want to map the phone number too, but I can't find this phone number in so much of fields. So what I can do is I can do Control F on my keyboard and search for phone number. If you want to enter some specific details, you can search for the details and map it like this. It is very easy. And now after mapping all of these details, we have to click on this save and send test request, and once we click on this save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new contact in a HubSpot CRM. So yes, you're going to see that a new contact has been added. You're going to see the name, the email, and the phone number. And yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we are going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically a new contact will be added in my HubSpot CRM. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back in again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll add the workflow link of my workflow in the description box below. You can check it out too and create this for your own business. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.